everyone. Today our topic is distillation, which is a separating technique from our lesson Is matter around us pure? So let us start that. This distillation, if you want to carry out, here we should have the mixture of miscible liquids, because anyway we have two immiscible liquids, we are going to separate them by separating funnel. But here we should have the miscible liquids, and these miscible liquids should have the difference in their boiling point. Sufficient difference should be there in the boiling point, and if this difference is greater than 25 degrees Celsius, then we are going to use simple distillation, and if the difference is less than or equal to 25 degrees Celsius, then we'll go for fractional distillation. Now let us see this simple distillation technique. To carry out this simple distillation technique, we need some apparatus. So let us go to our chemistry lab to get that all. So from our chemistry lab, we brought all these and we have connected one with the other. So what are these? Let us see one by one. Here you can see a Bunsen burner, a tripod stand is taken, and a wire gauge also is taken. These three things anyway you know that. On this wire gauge you can see that a round bottom flask is kept, and this one is used as a distillation flask. Okay, in this distillation flask we are going to take a mixture, but before that you see once between the tripod stand and distillation flask we kept the wire gauge. What is the reason we kept it there? Yes, we can avoid the breakage of this distillation flask by using this wire gauge. If you put it directly on the flame, because of the high temperature provided there, it may break. So that's why better to keep the wire gauge so that the uniform distribution of heat will be there. Along with that, it will avoid the breakage of that flask also. So in this distillation flask, we are going to take the mixture of miscible liquids. What are the miscible liquids examples? Yes. So one example we have here, acetone and water. Acetone and water. These are miscible liquids, and here they have the boiling point difference also. You can observe here one thermometer is taken here. This thermometer will be helping us to check the temperature so that it should not reach the boiling point of water. It should be heated only up to the boiling point of acetone only. Then whenever this mixture is heated, acetone will be converted into vapor form, and it is going to enter into the another construction which is connected to the distillation flask with the help of connector. Here you can see that, yeah, that is known as condenser. In this condenser you can observe that two openings are there. One is for inlet of water and the other one is for outlet of water. Okay, and whenever these acetone vapors are entering into this condenser, you can see that in the condenser we have a broad tube and also inside that one more narrow tube. In that broad tube only water flow will be there, and in the narrow tube you can observe that acetone vapors will travel. So whenever this water is flowing surrounding that narrow tube, acetone vapors will be converted into liquid form, and they can be collected in this round bottom flask which is connected at another end of the condenser. So in this manner we are going to separate the two miscible liquids which are having the difference in their boiling point. If you want to separate any two substances, they should have the difference in any one of the property. So before we have seen somewhere density difference is there, we have used separating funnel. If sublimation property difference is there, sublimation we have used. Like that, what is the difference? We have to check it. Based on that, we are going to use a technique. So, if the difference in the boiling point is less than or equal to 25 degrees Celsius, what we are going to do? Yes, we are going to use this technique known as fractional distillation. Here, in this fractional distillation and simple distillation, all the operators are similar only. But just observe this picture. So what difference you are getting? We got operators from our chemistry lab. We have connected one with the other. And if you observe this apparatus which is there in this picture, almost same is there. Then what is the difference between simple and fractional? Yes. Did you observe the word? Yeah. Fractionating column. This we are going to connect with the distillation flask and condenser. Between that we have one more thing also, that is nothing but fractionating column. So whichever the substance, whichever the liquid is there having less boiling point will reach anyway into the condenser. But along with that another liquid also, if it reaches into the condenser, because they are having very less difference in the boiling point, very nearer boiling points they have. So another liquid also, if it enters into the condenser, then what is the use of our fractional distillation? That is why we have taken this fractionating column. With the help of this fractionating column, we are increasing the way, we are increasing the path, we are increasing the surface area inside the fractionating column with the help of the pebbles, with the help of the beads, plastic beads and all, so that if the other liquid which has more boiling point also is entering into this, again it will be sent back into the distillation flask. By that, only the liquid which has less boiling point only will reach into the condenser, and the remaining process, as you know, same as the distillation, again condensation will be done. And at the other end we can take either conical flask or round bottom flask, whatever is possible, whatever is available in your chemistry lab, that you can take and you can collect that. Okay, so fractional distillation we are using for the liquids, miscible liquids, which are having the boiling point difference less than or equal to 25 degrees Celsius. If they have difference greater than 25 degrees Celsius, we are going to use the simple distillation. And the difference between simple and fractional distillation is, fractional distillation will have fractionating column, remaining all are same. Okay.